eligible for the COVID vaccination. Attorneys say that they are seeing a new kind of vaccine debate. It's playing out in divorce court. Our ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth to explain what happens when divorced parents disagree about the vaccine.
Good time. At the Logan Heights Family Health Center, parents like Armando Patricio jumped at the chance to get his 8-year-old son immunized on day one.
We're all vaccinated, fully vaccinated, but we were worried about him. We are very happy now that he's protected.
But the staff tells us they've encountered cases where parents do not agree over the shots.
Where the divorced parents, one wants vaccination right away for the 5-year-old, one does not. It's a tricky one. It's drama.
That drama is now playing out in divorce courts across the country, where the law varies by state and there's not much legal precedent, says San Diego family law attorney Deanne Arthur.
It's been coming up a lot. And it's kind of a fine line for the court to walk because in family court, they like to have a hands-off approach already.
She says in a finalized divorce, the court doles out 2 types of custody. Physical custody has to do with visitation rights. Legal custody determines decision-making on things like education, religion, and medical care. And that's what matters here. Arthur says in the vast majority of cases, legal custody is split 50-50, which means if one parent refuses to agree to vaccination, the 2 parents have to settle it in court.
Usually we're coming back into court on where the kid's going to go to school or who's going to be essentially the daycare provider. But now there's this new issue of, are they going to get vaccinated?
Judges will want to know why one parent doesn't want the child vaccinated, like if there's a medical reason or a religious one. And the parents will need to make their cases with evidence.
8 states allow a minor to get a COVID vaccine without parental consent, but California requires it for everyone under 18. If a married couple disagrees on vaccination, Arthur says it's perfectly legal for one parent to go and get the child immunized without the other's knowledge or consent.
But if a divorced parent acts unilaterally against the joint legal custody order, there can be consequences.
Your case is going to be before the court for a while, especially when it comes to custody. And so you've essentially tainted your case going forward. Sometimes courts do make decisions saying that, we can alter custody orders, but you have proven that you can't be trusted with joint custody.
She says courts are backed up, so getting in front of a judge can take months. So at first, she recommends having both parents sit down with their pediatrician or a mediator. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.
Some California family courts are sidestepping the vaccination issue by ruling that the child must attend school. That can effectively require vaccination because some districts, such as San Diego Unified, are mandating the